Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. I'll share another liberating structure today, and if you like these videos, please subscribe and share. That would be awesome. The liberating structure I'm going to share today is called Purpose to Practice. This is an structure for use when we are starting up a new initiative or new project or a new thing that we will be working on for some time. It gives you 5 steps to go through, and then you can iterate from there. The first step is this one, the purpose. So write down, what is it? What is the purpose of this? Why are we doing this? This is like what rallies us together in this group. The next one are, what principles do we work by? Well, how do we work? Again, having this aligned at the beginning is much easier than needing to tackle it later on. From there, we start to look at who are the participants, who actually makes sense that they contribute and work with this. Is it a small core team, or is it a bigger audience, or how are we going to, who are going to do this? This is again alignment to make sure that we are transparent about who are actually doing something on this, who are we consulting, and so on. And no, these steps should not be a 10-page report, but it should at least be something written down that everybody agrees. After these participants, we go to the structure. So how do we set up this work? How do we make sure that we move ahead as we want to? And then the practices. So what practices do we apply? How are we writing? And if it's a written product that we're going to build, of course. And the idea is just that it's much easier for us to take some of these discussions up front and then iterate on them as we go along. But at least we have visited them once, and now we can kick off an initiative. Then we might learn along the way that the participants were not the right ones, and then we can change that and bring in people. But again, we still have it transparent. And this is just, it takes 1 or 2 hours to get in depth with this and get through it, but it is well worth the investment. I'm hoping that you would also share how are you kicking off new initiatives or small improvements or whatever we call it, and please write them in the comments or send me a message. That would be awesome. And as always, comments, questions, ideas and feedback are more than welcome. Have a nice day.